Yes, and that's what we're always trying to get to in Tai Chi is the less friction. Like there's and that's why it's really beneficial to explore. Let's try it this way. Let's try a little different this way, and then get that feeling like, oh, that feels more friction. That feels less friction. And the less friction is the right answer. So it's like, Tai Chi, it gets so complicated. Which way? How do I do it? Is it this way? Is it that way? If it's through academic memory thinking, it's there's too many options. But if you can start honing and training your sense of, that's less friction this way, then let that start guiding your movements. So I'm going to protect myself and then I'm going to relax. Yeah. It's the same. Like in brush knee, pushing forward. Repulsing the monkey, I'm also pushing forward, right? Keep you away. Stay away. Tai Chi will make so much more sense if you go into the intentionality of the movement, right? Because each of these movements are meant to do something, and that needs to be at the heart of your own understanding of the movement. So just come forward with your fingers like that. That's not really going to do anything, right? Like it's only going to be effective if you can actually place your whole hand on someone. That's how you can control. And that's also how you can strike because the strike's got to go from over here, so that's every single time our hand is in this position, whether it's in brush knee, it's going here, repulsing the monkey, it's going here, single whip at the end, it's going here, fair maiden works the shuttle, it's going like every single time, it's the same thing. I love stationary practice. I really, really do. Like, so, like repulsing the monkey, just feel. Right? You like just feel that. The more you simplify the movement to really hone in on the key components, then the more you can maintain that as you add in the more complicated things. Because, really at the end of the day, what the feet are doing, it shouldn't change this, right? Whether you're doing this or you're doing this, like there's this element that we need to first understand. And then you can bring in the feet. And we only move the feet so much that we maintain that. Yeah. But at the end of the day, it all starts here, right? It's both are this. So understand this, and then you can add the other components to it. Find and hold on to the one thing. And if you can't remember all the other things, that's okay as long as you stay holding on to that one thing. Because often what happens is we're not holding on to anything. Like we get so distracted and then we do this and then we do that and then it's you're not holding on to anything. So hold on to that one thing. And as long as you can hold on to that one thing, then you can better hold on to the other things. Then you can hold on to the second. You will find that this slow approach, where you really are trying to understand your own centering, like you never lose your centering. You only go as far as you stay center, and you never lose your relaxing and following that path of least resistance. And then you'll eventually find something that'll take you from point A to point B.